Vroom vroom! Oh boy, look what just came in for the Cruson Limited Railroad. Let's take a look. Hello, I'm back again. I had just installed the bus for the lights, the Miller Engineering ones, and I'm not too satisfied with it, so I'm going to go ahead and swap that out with one I found on Amazon that actually is made for small gauge wire, and it allowed me to actually connect several of these things together if I need to expand the amount of connections that I have. So let's take a look at that real quick. So over here I have the replacement piece I'm going to install, and this is what I'm looking at for replacing. Okay, so I'm going to take and remove all the wires that I installed. Maybe. Here we go. These little, what I thought was going to be a good idea. No, too much hassle. So I'm going to take this wire out and this wire out. Put these guys in a safe spot. As a matter of fact, I think what I'll do is I'll connect these right back up as soon as I pull them out. Well, no, I don't have to do that. I'll just park these in a place where I know they'll be safe. Right now, the power is off for everything. You don't want to cause any unnecessary damage. Pull that out, pull this out. Let's see what's going on here. It's not coming out too easily. Pull that out. Pull that out. Remember, currently right now I only have one sign hooked up, so this isn't too big of a deal. Here's the wire. Here are the wires for the sign that I've got hooked up, the Sherwin-Williams sign. And here are the power lines coming off of the power supply right here. So let's go ahead and put those off to the side. And then I'll go ahead and change bits here. Switch over to just a little Phillips and pull these guys out of here. Let's take a look here. All right. Let's see. I can mount this right here. We'll get the A's and the B's in the upright position. And now, this actually came with mounting screws. I'm all good there. Oh, all right. This actually came with mounting screws. Let me take a look here. Perfect. Tiny little screws compared to the sheetrock screws I used for the other buses. Let's go ahead and put those in here so I don't lose them. Let's take a look here. Very nice. So this actually comes with, oops, if you can see it, little plastic risers. Let me see if I can get a shot of that. A little plastic riser that will lift the actual bus off, keep it off the wood too. That's nice. So let's go ahead and put this in there. See if I've got my screwdriver's small enough for that. Perfect. Okay. Mount this guy right here. This is going to be nice. It's going to provide, well, for one, let's get the riser on the right side. And let's take a look here. I'm hoping I don't need to pre-drill this. Let's try without pre-drilling. If I do, it's no big deal. But oh, okay. So after fighting with it for a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and just put a little starter hole here, and that'll allow me to actually use the longer screw too. Better safe than sorry. Let's pull that off. There's my little spacer. The short screw in the box. And let's go ahead and put this in here. Add the screw spacer. And give that a try. That looks good. Boy, that's gonna work just fine. Okay, so now I've got it mounted. I'm gonna go ahead and add the power line at the end here. Ooh, that's nice. Let me see, there's my negative, the positive at the bottom. That's nice. Holds real firm like. Now we'll get the sign back up here. Boy, this is going to be very nice. I can't wait to see if it works. Let's go ahead and put the positive here. And I'm liking this already because it's going to take up a lot less room than some of these other buses I've seen you can purchase, and also the standard household electrical buses that I've got below, which I might even switch those over someday. Alright, this is the only difficult part. I guess I can't see it there, so I'm going to feel around to get that wire up in there and tighten this guy down, and then we'll see if we fire up the power and see if everything still works. Okay, I have to find a better way to route these wires because I like to try to keep things a little bit organized and clean looking. If I ever have to trace something, it's kind of hard to go through my big mess over here. All right, here we go. Let's give this a go. Okay. I've got it hooked up, it's working, but what I found out was I should have looked at the wiring diagram that came with this. I know it's here somewhere. The power comes on this end, positive, negative, and then from the top here, these are in pairs. I didn't realize that. So here's my negative and positive right there. So it comes in sets. Bang, 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 bang. And then I can come down and do the same thing down below too. So I end up with 8 connections if I need to. Even though this power supply here from Miller Engineering can only handle up to 6 lights. So that works for me. And that's it. Good to go. Yay. Much better, cleaner looking, and no loose ends. Thank you for watching.